Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies cake at home easy guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and gather ingredients like cookie dough, eggs, sugar, butter, and flour. I'll walk you through mixing, layering cookie dough, choosing a pan, and watching bake times. Expect simple swaps for textures and clear tips to avoid soggy centers. Stay relaxed and enjoy the process as we build a comforting dessert together step by step. Gather your ingredients and measure carefully before mixing. Use 2 cups cookie dough, 1 cup sugar, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup butter, and 1 cup flour. Consider using chocolate chip cookies for texture or soft cookies for a cake-like crumb. If you need gluten-free options, substitute cup for cup blends. Keep bowl sizes organized and line a pan with parchment for easy removal. Chill the dough briefly if it seems too soft to handle. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and place the pan on the middle rack. Bake for 25 to 35 minutes depending on cookie size and pan depth. Test doneness with a toothpick inserted in the center. A few moist crumbs are ideal. Let the cake cool 10 to 15 minutes before removing from pan to finish setting. Slice with a warm knife for cleaner cuts and serve slightly warm. Enjoy with ice cream or coffee.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.